Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a line both above and below text in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then write something in this document. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and increase the font size, then align the text on the middle. Now we want to add line both above and below in this text. Go to the insert menu, then click the shape drop down menu, then choose the line shape. Then press shift on our keyboard and draw the shape perfectly. Then click the shape and go to the format menu, then click shape outline, then choose the black color. Then again go back the shape outline and increase the white. Then click right button on the shape and copy the shape. Then click right button again and paste the shape inside. Then move the shape below the text. Now we can see we added a line both above and below text in this document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.